Oh well. Parking it there. What the car's doing there? Talk about RS2 900s. Oh, Suzuki's nice, isn't it? GSX 8, is that Thames? This is the Volt 525. Cracking bike. Crossbars on it, crossbones on it. I think someone's picking this up in a bit. Oh well. To the village of Rivington now. What I'm saying is you've been this way millions of times, haven't you? Couple of bikes here. Mad Dave's normally alright hanging about. No, he's got ants in his pants. He's either going to be Mad Dave or Charlie. Could be here. Loads of bikes here. Oh, definitely time. It's nice, isn't it? The James Nice T500 there.
Right, gents, I'll see you again.
I'll see you too. Look after yourself.
Don't eat too many carrots with gravy.
Carrots and gravy?
That's what it looked like.
Oh, the photograph of his some ride that he was on.
Can't hear what you're saying.
Oh, take your earplugs out.
No.
I know why you won't. I'm going to have to start wearing them if I keep bumping into you.
Yeah, it's only a short ride, isn't it?
Yeah.
Could do, so I can hear what you're saying in traffic lights when you're dissing me on camera.
Oh, I'd never diss you. I've never dissed you yet. It's not my fault you're mad. Oh, look at this. I've got all ready to go and not put the keys. Right. I'd rather be mad than forgetful. Oh, look at that.
What?
Goes back to naught.
Oh, was it because of the glass wall?
I didn't let him go first, he just took the lead. Pardon? I'm going over the top to Harwood. Yeah, you go first. Partner's gone off in the film if you don't go first. Yeah, but I didn't know where you were going. is this not passing that car? No, I thought she'd stop for us, but we really don't want to. Flipping it. Okay. Devil is out, so devil. That's lovely up there, isn't it? Never. Said jam. I went wide there so I didn't have to go through the around this way for us. We're going to have to stop the go. Oh, yes. Good that, wasn't it?